camera captures the moment a sperm whale carcass which washed up in the Faroe Islands explodes. The clip, which was shown on Faroese Television, has since gone viral, racking up millions of hits on YouTube alone. The dead whale had been lying on the beach for 2 days after getting stuck in the waters between two islands when marine biologist Bjarni Mikkelsen was sent to cut it open. As he made incisions in the whale's side, the carcass exploded due to a build-up of methane gas from the decomposition, creating a loud sound and releasing a pungent smell. It is reported that a local museum will collect the skeleton and put it on display.